AskVista is Vista Social's built-in AI. You can ask it questions, but it's built to do more than answer. It can run tasks for you on a schedule, like having a team member who handles your Monday morning briefing without being asked. To get the most out of it, give it some context about your brand. Go to Settings, then AI Knowledge, and fill in the details. What your business does, your tone, and your audience. The more you give it, the better it works. Once that's set, here's what it can do. You can ask it anything about your account, how your posts performed this week, what's sitting unanswered in your inbox, which profiles have no content scheduled, and it pulls from your actual Vista Social data. You can also put it on a schedule. Have it send you a weekly performance report every Monday, flag inbox messages that haven't been answered in 24 hours, or alert you when a client's publishing has dropped off. And the best part is, these can run on their own. It can also help you plan ahead. Ask it to draft a month of content ideas based on your brand, generate images or videos, or map out a posting schedule for a new campaign. If you manage multiple clients, it works across all of them at once. Weekly digests per client, approval reminders, and full reports ready to send. And this is just an overview. Full guides on building and setting up agents are in our help center. Check out the link below in the description. And it doesn't stop there. AI is built into a lot more across Vista Social, from writing captions, to managing your inbox, to understanding your performance. The rest of our Getting Started series breaks it all down. See you in the next one!